Now, here comes the second part. Why remove the guard? One of the best safety things that you can have on your saw. As close as you can get to it, because that'll minimise the breakout and you'll just get a better job. It doesn't make it any safer. And I'll rip the fan off that and I'll set up a two-stage system. Good fan, good motor, crappy design. They break really easy, these things. Damn it. So when we're using the saw, obviously you can work from both sides, and you often find yourself working from both sides. So for now, we'll call it a day, and that'll do us for this video. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.